we eventually decided to get up and we're going to go out somewhere, but we've got a dilemma. I've lost my keys. In this really tiny bedroom.
It was tiny before you messed it up.
I said tiny, not tight.
Oh.
I can't actually find my keys.
I will go see if they're in your car.
Unless I left them in my car and didn't lock my car. My car's just locked itself, therefore my keys are still inside. I left my keys in my car. Anyone could have stolen my car last night. I've never done that before in my life. Oh dear. Okay, so I've got car keys on myself. Now my car battery's flat. We're going to have to jump it off.
And then?
Holy car. Now to head out in Sophie's car because my car is dead. It won't even start. Mobilize is dead. I don't know, it's just all dead. So, go in Sophie's car and carry on what we're doing. Let's go get some food after all that.
That's so far back.
Sandwich time, my chair's like really far back. Like, what have you got in your sandwich?
Spicy chicken with lettuce and mayo on a crusty.
I got a sweet chili chicken sandwich on a brown bap. Soft
like
brown bap. And the woman was really moody. Like, really moody. And I've got some chocolate thing after, some chocolate slab. Which will be eaten out. Nom 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 nom. She won't share it with me. She knows she loves chocolate. She's going into my mouth. This is the first time that Sophie will be putting fuel in a car when I'm in the car with her. Nothing real major, but I'm gonna pressure it, see if I'm gonna pressure her. She said she's gonna feel pressure, see if she can get exactly £10 worth of fuel in a car. Let's see if she can do it. She knows I'm vlogging. She knows I'm recording now. What's she getting up to? What's she doing? I can't even see. She's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Oh, she stopped 9, 964, 972. Let's see her first. Let's see if she can do it. 999. No, she's done it. Oh, she did it. Really high today. We've come to our little usual spot that I like to come to. Some maybe take some photos. But it's really, really cold. Where are we going?
I don't know.
What do I really? Need some shadows.
Well, there are no shadows.
Oh.
Like you could say like the shadows in the water.
I don't want to go in there today.
I apologise greatly.
You just dropped your batteries.
I know.
Sophie's done some photos that she needs to do for her photography course. I'm quite hyper after that chocolate, that massive slab of chocolate. We are wandering around again. It's muddy and wet and cold. And not as cold as it was last time. I've actually made it further already. But there's no aminals yet. Oh, I can hear a bird. I can hear a bird. Beautiful robin just sitting there. So Sophie's actually taking a photo of me vlogging now. I think there's going to be some swans that are going to come down further down. It's quite weird over here. Oh, there's a little bird in there. There's some swans, there's 2 massive swans all the way down there. If she's taking a photo of me, I'm going to put a photo of them like she's done this. My camera isn't showing any swans down there, and I'm going to try to zoom in on some swans. You won't even be able to see them on the camera. My camera's nowhere near picking them up. You'll see, right? There's no white dots down there. My camera, look, Sophie's camera, she zoomed in some swans. This is just a bridge camera. Quite good. I can't pick up any swans over there. What a beautiful pair of swans. Stuck its head in the water for you, didn't want to see you. The beauty of nature.
Never have it come up here. It's gone dark again.
If you we are on our way back home now. It is ridiculously cold. It's gone really fast, really really fast. It's got really fast. You know I am with the words. But the other day I went into a restaurant a few weeks ago, sorry, and I said, can I have a tap of glass water instead of a glass of tap water? And I said it twice, yeah. Twice. But then you want me. But yeah, we're off by now. It's ridiculously cold. I'm going to try and start my car when I get back. Possibly. It's still not working.
Oh, I've never done that before.
Can you? Okay, now we're going to try and jump start my car again, or at least charge it up a bit off Sophie's car. Because I've come back and there's a bit more life in it, so it's buzzing a bit, so it's actually something going on in it. It's ticking over. We have life. We have life in my car, it's actually ticking over for once. We're all good. Good old Nancy's help. Thank you, Sophie's car. So we're back to my house now, and we're going to have a quick game of Call of Duty. I'm just gathering a few clothes up that I need and get a sandwich for to work tomorrow. We've just come on to find out that one of our dogs might be getting put down. The older one's Scooby, which ain't good, but obviously I'll give you more update on that as the days go on. Apparently he has hurt himself, or he's had a stroke or something. I don't really know. My family don't talk to me enough. They only decide to talk to me when I actually want to talk to them, so they don't actually let me know what's going on. So yeah, should be a bit chill here, the toilet, bit of Call of Duty, then go back to Sophie's house to get ready to go and eat, because I know I'm supposed to be saving money, but this is our one treat for the month. We're eating out, even though we're out in Edinburgh, but it's our treat out from what we've saved, sort of thing. We're only going to spend less than the tenner each today, so that's allowed.
There you
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey.
What?
How many times have you sworn since we got back?
Motherfucking 9 times.
That's 9.
That is Sophie trying to straighten her hair, because we're going to go out tonight and have a cheeky meal out, as I said. We're going to go to Prezzo, I think, have some sort of carbonara thing. I'm really quite hungry. I think I'm quite hungry, I'm not sure if I'm or not. But we're going to have something nice to eat out and then come back and chill. For the thrill. We had a quick blast on Call of Duty. We were at my house, made us some sandwiches. Now we're back to Sophie's just to get ready. She looks amazing tonight. Now we're getting in the car. Again. We are off out to eat. And it is so cold. Why do I keep telling you it's so cold? We know it's cold. I just can't bear the cold anymore. I've done 21.
He's turned into a girl.
I've done 21 years of my life, man in the cold and t-shirts in winter. I can't do it anymore. I'm getting old. My bones are feeling the cold. There's my car. Metallica on Radio 1. I've already dropped my camera 3 times today. This camera is indestructible. Well, it's not indestructible. The back of it. I'm going to show you the back of it eventually at some point and what's all wrong with it. But excuse me. We're at the place where we're going to go to Prezzo. We'll draw some money first. We're going to have something nice to eat.
We are indeed.
Nice voucher. We're running out because we've got a really good voucher for it. So you're in the restaurant. Sophie's having a level 7.
Spaghetti bolognese, brown and chili, garlic and spinach.
Quite probably I'm having my usual carbonara out of 10. Ooh. So we've had our meal. That was rather nice. It's still cold. That's me. Through this vlog. It's really cold. We enjoyed it. It's not even that late, and we're gonna go home and wait for back to yours. Where are we?
Yeah.
Yes, back to Sophie's, and then just chill for that, I think, and try and stay warm. And edit today's vlog, because today's vlog's gonna be a long one. Hopefully at this point it's quite long, so gonna give it a bit of time to edit. Tesco's. We meet again.
We've been for a while actually.
Seems like ages since we've been to Tesco's. We're just having a quick one on Tesco's before we go home.
That's got the green hat on too.
Yeah, it has got the green hat on, but the light's not on. Quick one around Tesco's and then back home. We're not actually buying many snacks. In fact, we're not buying any. We're not. We're just looking. I haven't been to Tesco's here either. There's an Asda over there. We're in the car now. We're heading home. We had one around Tesco's. Had a laugh. Had a look at some DVDs. But obviously, we're not bought any. We're just looking around. I like doing things like that. That's it for today's vlog. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'm not going to do too much of an outro because you've seen most of it already today. Hopefully it's decent length. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Stay positive. Tomorrow I'm at work. Sophie's going to say bye as well.
Bye.
Bye. Shouldn't usually do an intro like that, or an outro, sorry, because usually she's asleep. Yeah, see you tomorrow.